Dragonfire Tools, quality, affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Hey Motorheads, you've heard about the Magic Creeper and maybe you thought you should get one for yourself. Well, guess what? It makes a fantastic gift and it's not too early to think about holiday shopping. If you've got somebody on your list that loves to work on their car in their garage or maybe out in the yard, the Magic Creeper is the perfect tool because you know you can't get a traditional creeper out there in the grass. It's not going to roll anywhere. It's not going to roll on gravel because it's got those casters, and it's also going to lift you way up off the ground, 4 or 5 inches, and you won't be able to get under a lot of vehicles. Well, guess what? The Magic Creeper, zero clearance. It'll enable you to get under just about anything, and it rolls over everything. It can roll over grass. It can roll over gravel, tree roots, anything a shade tree mechanic has to encounter, the Magic Creeper can tackle it. It's also fantastic for the young driver in your life. If you want to give them a Magic Creeper, they can keep it in their vehicle and use it in case of an emergency. They may not know how to work on a car, but they'll surely know how to change a tire. It's going to keep their clothes clean and dry, and it's also going to be easy on their knees when they're changing a tire on the side of the road. You can also buy the emergency roadside kit with the Magic Creeper that comes with lights, with gloves, and some tools to get the job done on the side of the road to keep you safe while you're making those fixes on your car. The Magic Creeper makes a fantastic gift for somebody who's done a favor for you. I've told you in the past about my buddy Jeff. He drove a vehicle all the way from Texas to Tennessee for me, and in return, when he got home, there was a Magic Creeper waiting for him in his mailbox. You can only find the Magic Creeper at magiccreeper.com. There are substitutes, but do not accept any. Only the original Magic Creeper is made like the Magic Creeper. It's going to last you a long time, and it's going to be the most useful tool in your toolbox. I have a lot of viewers that email me and send me notes and ask me about Tribotex. They want to know 2 things, Pasha. The first one is it safe for my vehicle? Is it safe?
It's absolutely safe, and there's no condition in which it can't make an improvement.
And what about a new vehicle? It doesn't seem to need much improvement.
In new cars, you will not see much of a difference in terms of efficiency, but you will see a lot of difference in terms of longevity. And right after first oil change, it's perfect time to apply.
What about older vehicles and you're starting to have problems and maybe you hear some rattles and that sort of thing? Tribotex is perfect for those folks too.
That's right. The more friction, the more difference it'll make. So the older cars perform better, more cylinders perform better, and smaller engine, it performs better. This is all the places where a lot of friction robs you of fuel efficiency.
And it takes that friction away, but there's a lot of metal on metal wear, so you can get some grooves and scratches, that sort of thing in the metal parts of the car. How can Tribotex fix those?
The grooves turn into smooth, glassy-like surface that is porous ceramic, and those pores filled with lubricant, so that lubricant works even when shock loads or sudden potholes happen.
Gotcha. Now let's talk about the other question I get a lot is how easy is it to apply or install or use Tribotex?
If you know how to pop up the hood of the car and find where you put oil, that's all you need. You stop the engine, you open the hood, you inject material, you close it, you let it run for 15 minutes to assure dispersion, and it's good to go for 500 miles, and then you will see a difference.
How often do we need to put Tribotex in our car?
It's enough for 40,000 miles, so once per few years if you drive not fast, or seasonally if you, let's say, ride-share driver.
Well, Tribotex is going to make your vehicle last longer. It's also going to take your old vehicle, actually repair the damage, and give you better performance. You can check it out at Tribotex.com. You can also find all the science there behind it. Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, returns right after this.